National Working President kasang NPP James PK Sangma. Haga pratrik ujeliau arajar arpun riau ulalit bentep ya Kyrteng naka bynta banyakun ya kasyuki MP RajyaSabha na Meghalaya kebedan tangkau syuki rangkat Jingiasynran langkin hungelam nak MDA 2. Hari ini sengiu James PK Sangma ulapan pau belada kejingje di kalong klem kejingnya kun. Kata kamut pun yo ban mi kemat renti kejela barok kawai haki yang darbar parlimen. Kini kesini kalau penipat kejingnya teli ke baskem apa dengan kenhuan ke besensyar hakapor bau National President ke NPP Conrad Sangma Menteri Sarkar ke BJP Basan Borsulai MLA ke UDP Nujor Ki Sungo Nongseng ke Tipra Motha Party Pradyo Manikya Debarma Nangta Daniel Langthasa Bad Kikon kilawan ban senran lang yu. Ka MDA 2 ka don ya kejengkersyan kisan puingut kidkhot kata ki MLA ki yang darbar tawan ke jelak ban ru pungut kidkhot. Nu kurtong udon na kejaga ka biang bat ke bas khamha ban job sya ka RajyaSabha. Haba kedan niklat patai kubor James PK Sangma ulapan pau beladu yo ke jing job un pele jing mod khamtam hakikam ke belas ateng laslam ki bakta ka Meghalaya. Rangkat bagi kun persya ya kijing ki bami thamai hakalawai. Ulaban rabutmu ban keran jam agar RajyaSabha kenang bakasur kejela kan yo kijing sngap ke batikna hakari bat ulia thuru bagani ka jinglong kertong jungu kalong karai ke bala shimlang da kijing menjur ka kenhuan MDA berokowai. Ulapan pau kijing songo yo menteri rangba kejela Conrad Sangma ki sembut menteri rangba ketau ba presiden tensong badu ba senyaw balangdhar bar barok ki dekat ka kenhuan na kebenta kijing kersyan yo. Nagaliang menteri rangba Conrad Sangma ulapan pau kijing kerman ke bakrau bu James PK Sangma unyo kijing job da ke basuk benong nomi kemat agar RajyaSabha. Na kebenta ka samoy terekam ke bahan senam. Menteri rangba ulai kublai ya barok ki dekat ke MDA ke bela kersyan da ke wei kesur baru ulong ba lada long kumno ke MDA ke dana ke bor ke babiang ban penti kena ke jing job. Ula benrab budan ke jing syania bu James PK Sangma unyo ban penurlong ba ban yasaj bat ban kentiu kimat ke badan kam hak emlang salang ka kamsan pertai ki skim sarkar bat untre kam kum ke jingkieng hapadeng ke sarkar jela bat ke sarkar pedeng. Menteri rangba ula kedau bu MP unyale ya ke bentang ke badan kam ba ban pensngo bat ban chim ki kam ke rensan ke parlimen. Bat ke sarkar pedeng. Halor kimat ke bak sarkar kladet banciem kentup ke 8th schedule ke 6th schedule ke FCRA amendment ke kambe day bagi jingwan rong bian ki brio na syabar ke ILP bat ke MRSSA. Menteri rangba ula kentat badan ke jingi per jingmut haga kenhun da ga papensyai bagi day namar bagi ladan ki program baper hadian balapen kelai ke sengi Thep Kyrteng ke bari ban long hi haga hendreu tarik.
I'm first of all very grateful to the people of Meghalaya and also especially to our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Conrad Sangma, all the Deputy Chief Ministers, both of them, Ba Preston and Ba Snyoba, all our Honorable Ministers, our MLAs, and also our alliance partners from the UDP, the HSPDP, the BJP, and the Independents for having supported my candidature to the Council of State's RajyaSabha. And today I've just finished filing the nominations, and I look forward to the being elected, and hopefully after the election process is over and I'm elected, the responsibilities of the Member of Parliament Rajya Sabha, if it were to fall on my shoulders, I will look at how many of the issues, both which have been pending for a long time, and also issues which we as a state must collectively look at navigating in the future. These are the issues that I intend to be very vocal about in the upper house in Rajya Sabha, so that the voice of Meghalaya can be heard in the parliament in Rajya Sabha. This is a decision collectively made by the MDA too, and I'm all I can say is that I'm deeply honored and I feel very privileged to be unanimously selected by the MDA too. And as I've been saying that me as a person who's here to serve the people of Meghalaya, I will be taking on any responsibility that is given upon me. And similarly, today the MDA too has given this responsibility of being the candidate of the MDA too, and I look forward to carrying out that responsibility.
Sir, this is expected to be uncontested because opposition parties not likely to field any candidate. So
Okay.
how do you feel about it?
Well, we have to still wait till the end of day. Today is the last date of filing nominations, so I don't think we can jump to conclusions here. But yes, if it were to be uncontested, then again, this is something that I feel extremely privileged and happy about, that the decision to send an MP Rajya Sabha to Parliament by the state of Meghalaya is one which is does not have any contest, and thereby, I will be collectively representing the entire state.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Mr. James Sangma for filing his nomination, and would like to thank all the partners of the MDA for having unanimously and with the consensus supported the candidature of Mr. James Sangma. And today, most of the partners, their representatives were present in the nomination filing. Uh, Number two, regarding the other candidates, we are not very sure. We will just have to wait for the next few hours, and the picture will be clear. So, whatever the case may be, we are confident that even if there is a candidature, that the MDA has the necessary strength to ensure that our candidate wins in this Rajya Sabha election. For us, in the when it comes to issues, there are multiple issues that we feel that the member of parliament should bring up, and I'm sure that Mr. James Sangma will be very successfully be able to bring up those issues. Issues will range from everything which are socially, politically important to our people and our state, and also issues regarding different schemes, government programs, and also very actively participate in different legislation and debates in the parliament. All of these will be very important responsibilities that the Honorable MP will have. At the same time, we also expect that the Honorable MP will act as a bridge between the state government and the central government, where different issues, whatever the state has to take up at different ministry level, I'm sure the Honorable MP will take up the responsibility of taking up those issues at the central level. Whenever there's an opportunity, we as a government and also as a party, we have ensured that we take up these matters very aggressively. And definitely being the member of parliament representing the NDA and the state of Meghalaya, the Honorable MP will play a critical role in raising all the issues that we have taken up. And whether it's the 8th schedule, whether it's the 6th schedule, whether it is the FCRA amendment and the issue of illegal immigration and matters like the ILP and the MRSSA, the Honorable MP will play a very critical role in pushing our concerns at the Parliament and at the Government of India.